Hi guys, let's learn parajumbles in merely 10 minutes. Alright, before getting into the application part, let's quickly get over the theory. The basic theory and approach for parajumbles is start by finding basic introductory or concluding sentences. Concluding sentences are very easy to spot. They usually start with thus, therefore, hence. And introductory sentence, they start with new words or concepts which are usually enclosed in double inverted commas. Next, if you've got options, you can easily eliminate them as for follower or leader, or you can, if you've not got options, you can make pairs through followers and leaders by using simple grammar rules. Okay, so you can make pairs, but before that, always remember it usually goes from general to specific. So you use general segments first and then you go specific about the problem or the issue at hand. Now, how does one make pair? पैर यानी ये दोनों तो साथ में ही जाएंगे, इनके बीच में कुछ नहीं आएगा. तो कैसे पैर बनता है? नाउन प्रोनाउन से पैर बन सकता है. ओके, ऑब्वियसली nouns come first and then comes pronouns. For example, John Keats was a romantic poet and his poems are known to be sublime. Similarly, articles से भी पैर बन सकता है where a will be preceding the. Why? Because a is a more indefinite article, whereas the is a definite, it's a specific article. For example, a satellite will be launched by India soon, and the satellite will be called EOS-04. Next, conjunctions. Again, one of the most wonderful ways to make pairs. इसका रिश्ता हमेशा एक जैसे नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड एज वेल एज एक्सटेंशन का बात करेगा, यानी जो पहले बोला गया है उसके बारे में थोड़ा और बताएगा. वेरएज बट ऑन दी अदर हैंड ये आपको कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन बताएंगे कि ये किसी कही हुई बात को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर रहे हैं, ऑपोजिट बोल रहे हैं. So conjunctions, again, another wonderful tool to help you make pairs. Full forms and then their short forms. Okay, obviously United States of America पहले आएगा and then comes USA. Goes the same for names and surnames. पूरा नाम पहले, surname बाद में. Now for anecdotes and stories, it always goes from oldest to latest, earliest to latest. For example, earlier to later, then to now, and before say after. So this is a basic theory for parajumbles that you need to keep in mind. Now let's apply all of this theory in some questions. Okay, and this is question 1. Without options, try it without options. I'll quickly move out of the screen, pause, try, comment the answer below, and only then resume the video. Okay, let's try it now. I hope you've put your answer below in the comment. Now, all the theory that we just did tells us that this cannot be an opener, but this is definitely a contradiction of something, right? This is a very general statement, so this could be an opener, this could be a leader, right? Even 3 could be an opener. 4 cannot be an opener because it starts with a pronoun. Therefore, it has to succeed. It has to precede a noun. So it does not store the code from a human genome, nor does it store code from any animal or virus. Okay, if you use basic logic, it is definitely talking about DNA. So इसका pair ढूंढना बाकी है. Fifth, again, it's hard to make out, but she tells me that I should be able to see a mostly clear light film on the bottom of the vial. This is the DNA. Before solving any parajumbles, always read all the statements. If you've read all the statements, you'll realize there's a story happening. Okay. Dina is showing something to the speaker and the speaker is narrating the whole experience. So obviously, पहले वो आएगा. फिर डीना के बाद हमको इसका पैर मिल गया तो 3 and 5 आ गया. ठीक है, फिर उसने उसको एक लाइट फिल्म दिखाया जिसमें था DNA. This is the DNA. So this is gonna come after somewhere, right? Now I need more about DNA. So 1, 2 and 4 में से DNA के बारे में क्या बोल रहा है? कौन बोल रहा है? 4 और 1 दोनों DNA के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. If you read, 4 is telling you more about the DNA and how it's special. So therefore 1 is going to come first. But this DNA, the one that Dina is pointing out, is very special. How it is special is explained in 4. तो इसलिए 4 1 नहीं होगा, पर 1 4 होगा. अभी हमारे पास एक अभी भी बाकी है, which is the second one. You know you're a nerd when you store DNA in your fridge. और ये बीच में कहीं भी नहीं आ सकता. या तो लास्ट में आएगा या पहले आएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज काफी लूज सा स्टेटमेंट है. नाउ it will make more sense if you are pointing to somebody who stores DNA in their fridge. As per the story, it's obviously Dina. So 2 could be an intro statement for Dina. So the chronology could be without options 2, 3, 5, and 4. If you've got options, by making 1 or 2 pairs, you can come to the answer. Or if you've not got options, you can still come to the answer. The other type of question is where the first one and the last one are fixed. बीच के jumbled है. तो ये और भी आसान है. ठीक है, कैसे? बस आपको इसका सक्सेसर निकालना है और इसका प्रेडिसेसर, यानी इससे पहले क्या आएगा, उसके बाद क्या आएगा. Try to read all the statements, try to understand the story, and try to find linking words and then link them together. And move out of the frame, quickly pause, give in your answer, and only then resume the video. Okay, now let's quickly do it together. Biofuel is any fuel that is derived from biomass, plant material, or animal waste. Now, if you've read all the statements, you'll realize material has been used again. Since such feedstock material can be replenished readily, biofuel is considered to be a source of renewable energy. Okay, in the first point, it is pointing to feedstock material, which is exactly this. And in the second part, it is explaining how biofuel and what biofuel is. So 1 and D are inseparable. इनके बीच में कोई आ ही नहीं सकता, right? So they are an obvious pair. All right. Now you can try to find a predecessor for the last one. Mainly because, see, it's very easy when there are conjunctions given. So this is definitely a reason for something. तो हम इसका assertion ढूंढते हैं फिर. Mainly because of the economic and environmental challenges regarding something. So it's something negative there. Let's quickly go through all the sentences and find that what the assertion for something as negative as this could be. If you read all the sentences, there's only one sentence that points to it. E. Many critics express concerns about the scope of expansion of certain biofuels. Okay, they are concerned that biofuels might really not be all that good. Why not good? Because of so and so reasons, which are given right here. But E is the most appropriate assertion for 6. So E and 6 के बीच में भी कोई नहीं आ सकता. So see, D and E, they're all fixed now. We're only left with 2 statements, B, C. So the answer could either be D, B, C, E or D, C, B, E. अगर ऑप्शंस होते तो फटाफट एलिमिनेट करके अभी तक मिल जाते, बट ऑप्शंस नहीं है तो भी हम कर सकते हैं. क्यों? एक और बिकॉज है, तो ये भी किसी का रीजन है, तो इसका असर्शन ढूंढते हैं. पहले रीजन पढ़ लेते हैं. Primarily because of rising petroleum prices and increased concern over the contributions made by fossil fuels to global warming. Okay, so this is all about, it's talking about rising petroleum prices and concern over contributions made by fossil. It's talking something about negative of petroleum, how petroleum is damaging and it's expensive. B पढ़ते हैं फटाफट से. Biofuel is perceived by its advocates as cost-effective and environmentally benign alternative to petroleum. It's more environmentally friendly alternative to petroleum and other fossil fuels. मतलब ये दोनों ना ही environmentally friendly है और ना ही cost effective है. कैसे प्रूव करो? किधर प्रूव किया है? C में. So B and C. B is the assertion and C is the reason. So we're done with the answer C. The answer for this should be D, B, C and E. Alright, this was all about parajumbles. We've learned theory and we've learned different types of questions and their application and quick strategies to solve parajumbles. Okay, most of the accuracy depends on practicing. So kindly practice a lot of questions for parajumbles with options, without options, whatever is relevant to your exam. Use the comment box to let me know any queries, any doubts, any apprehensions you have, any demands you have from us. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.